Hey guys, Shafi and Tex back with another video. Guys, if you have watched my previous video, in that video I show how to make the Facebook black. Okay, Facebook theme to black. If you haven't watched that, you can go and check that out. So there is in this video, it's also about a black theme, and yeah. It is an official black theme. Okay, so if you have read the thumbnail, it is about Chrome. Okay, Chrome, yes, Chrome it is. So Chrome has been a better browser for a lot of time. Lot of people are using this Chrome browser. So if I'm going to the home, now we can see my home page is black. Okay, so how can you do this? Okay, so there is no modern modding application or secondary application. The Google Chrome has finally gave us an option, inbuilt option, to change the theme. Go to the settings. Okay, and you can see now a new option called themes. This simple as this, but most of the people don't know about this. Okay, they are just using it like normally. Most of the people are not noticing this. Okay, go to the themes, and we can choose system default. Turn on dark theme when your battery saver is on. So now it is switched to light because my battery saver is not on. If I am turning on my battery saver like this, it will be turned to black, or you can change it to dark. Okay, or light. So simple as that. Most of the people don't know this, and people still using it the old way. And it is pretty cool to have a black theme on everything. Okay, so if you want this black theme, you can do this. This feature is there now for a while now. So this video is for the people who yet don't know about this. Okay, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And I will catch you guys in the next video.